invest to yourself, napaka-importante po nito. So, hindi po pwedeng puro lang tayo trabaho ng trabaho, and then trabaho pa rin, no? So, parang hindi natin nakikita kung saan napupunta yung mga pinaghihirapan nating salapi, di ba? So, acquire financial and business skills. Become your own money manager and take charge of it. Mahirap kasi yung palagi nating inaasa sa ibang tao yung ating kaperahan, yung ating pinaghihirapan. So, you may have the best financial strategy, but if you don't understand what you are doing, it might end up useless, di ba? Yung marami kang nai-invest, marami kang nasimulang negosyo, pero during the time na gusto mo nang magretiro sa pagtatrabaho, you end up na it's not enough pala. Kung anong gagawin natin dyan? We have this few situational question maaaring makatulong sa inyo para ma-diagnose niyo yung sarili niyo mismo kung ano na ba yung kalagayan ng inyong financial situation ngayon. So, di ba? So, number one question ko po dyan is, do you have problem paying your bills? Okay? So sino dito yung wala ng problema pagdating ng mga babayarin or pagdating ng end of the month ay wala ng problema na dumating man yung mga bayarin nila sa kuryente, tubig, tuition fee, hindi na namang problema. Ibig sabihin, talaga financially stable ka na. So anyone, nasa situation ba kayo na naiipit sa kakautang? Wala pang sahod pero yung mga pinagkakautangan natin ay naniningil na. Hirap, di ba? So, do you need to borrow money when emergency arises? So, dito sa IMD, tinuturuan tayo what is or how much is the right amount kung paano nga ba mag-build up ang ating emergency fund dahil napaka-importante niyan. If we don't have emergency fund, then talaga yung sobrang nag-i-struggle tayo sa buhay. Dahil pag may crisis, mangutang. Utang sa kapitbahay, sa kaibigan, di ba? Advance sa sahod. So, they work hard but still not enough income. Hiling mo, ibinigay mo na lahat, sipag-sipag mo naman, kulang yung 24/7 na pagtatrabaho no? Actually, pag nasa employment tayo, parang kulang na kulang talaga yung oras. So, anong gagawin mo? If you think you work hard, pero kulang pa rin yung income, anong gagawin mo? Diba? So, do you have difficulty in funding your aging parents and medical needs? So, may mga magulang po dyan, nagkakaedad na. So, anong situation? Napoprovide ba natin yung mga pangangailangan nila? Of course, bilang mga anak, hindi naman natin obligation, pero it's a good karma, 'di ba? It's a good karma kung tutulong tayo sa ating mga magulang. And sabi nga, 'di ba? Kung anong tinanim, 'yun ang ating aanihin. So dapat at least nakapagbigay tayo sa kanila. Kung hindi tayo nakakapagbigay, so syempre ibig sabihin talagang problemang financial 'yan. So are your children growing up faster than you can provide for them? So sino dito yung may mga mga estudyante na magka-college na? Very lucky yung mga maliliit pa po yung anak. So kung ikaw ay naka-attend dito sa orientation na to at meron kang mga anak na below 10 years old pa, the best time for you to start saving for their college fund and become part of IMG dahil dito tinuturo ang tamang paraan kung paano tayo makakapag-prepare dyan. So, are there times you argue with your spouse over finances? So, common story po to, whether we admit or not, isa po ito sa mga rason kung bakit nagkakaroon ng mga away at hiwalayan, di ba? Dahil sa kakulangang pinansyal. Diba? Kung wala nang mai-remit si husband kay asawa, minsan nag-aaway, di ba? Kasi syempre, stress din si asawa kung paano na i-manage yung kanilang daily life kung walang babudgetin. So, ayun na, alam na natin yan. So, are you dissatisfied with the level of the success you have now? So, ano bang current situation ng work mo? Do you think kaya ka nang payamanin ng trabaho na yan? Do you think kaya mo nang ipamana yan sa iyong mga anak in the future? So, proud ka ba na ipamana yan sa anak mo in the future kung anumang karirang meron ka right now? Kung hindi, well, dapat gumawa tayo ng solusyon, di ba? So, dito sa IMG, you have this solution. We provide solution. Ano yung mga solution na ipinoprovide natin? So, we provide education, execution, and entrepreneurship. So, with this triple E, nabibuild up natin yung ating solid financial foundation. So, triple E stands for education, execution, entrepreneurship. So, sa education, once na naging member po kayo ng IMG, lifetime financial education po ang benefits nyo dito. So, we provide the right knowledge and strategy dahil sa goal natin na ma-end up ang illiteracy. So, execution, napakaraming pag-aaral na available sa labas. Diba? Maraming mga institution ang nagbibigay din po ng education. But after education, anong nangyayari? Lalabas sila ng seminar na blanco. Question mark ang isip nila kung saan nila i-apply yung mga natutunan nila. So dito sa IMG, we provide the right platform and environment to execute the knowledge and solution. So hindi ka na po lalayo. Kaya mas napapabilis yung pag-build up mo ng iyong solid financial foundation. And of course, marami pong mga tao ang sagot sa amin palagi, walang pera. Diba? So dito, kung kulang ang pera, we introduce increased cash flow. Napaka-importante na dapat palaki natin yung ating cash flow. So, entrepreneurship, we provide entrepreneurship. Diba? This is a business opportunity to help you increase your income. Kung kulang ang inyong income, increase cash flow. So, paano natin gagawin yan? Get into the financial industry by being member of IMG. Marami po tayong platform na pwede nyong aralin for that. So, we are living in a fast-changing world. Changing world requires changing solution. So napakaraming Pilipino ngayon ang nakakaharap sa financial challenges because they fail to outpace the fast-changing world. No, nakalimutan nila yung tamang solution for that. So take action, secure your future now. You will always have an excuse not to save and invest, but no matter what your excuse is, one thing is for sure. So ayan po, no, ilang araw na lang. So tatanda na naman tayo. Damay na damay-damay na to, di ba? So lahat naman tayo doon tayo pupunta eh, no? So no matter what your excuse is, your child will grow up and enter college and you will need money for his or her education. That's reality. Yung may mga anak dito, kaya you have to prepare para hindi naman sila magiging kawawa. No matter what your excuse is, you'll eventually retire and stop making active income. So yung inaakala mong ang bait-bait ng amo mo, secured na secured ka sa kanila. So huwag tayong pakakampante. No? Darating ang time na magre-retiro tayo. Dapat talaga mag-ipon. You have to be prepared for these kinds of situation. Be with a group of people to inspire you. When the members of your group save, syempre nakakahiya naman, hindi ka magsisave, di ba? Pero ito yung at least hinihikayat ka in a good way, di ba? So they will also inspire you to save, di ba? Sabi nga niyan, the people around you yung malaking impact sa pwedeng maging future mo. Kaya be with a group na tama. Right environment, right people. Okay, so IMG's mission is to convert people from being a spender to saver and teach them how to save and invest the right way. And that is IMG community. Kaya, what are you in for? Diba? So, start to build up your solid financial foundation with this companies. So once you become an ING member, you represent these multiple companies. If you need healthcare, partner po natin si Kaiser. Life insurance, Manila Bankers Life, Fidelity Life. Sa investment with our partner vehicles na Rampberg Financial, sila po yung nag-handle ng lahat ng ating investment. And sa real estate, partner po natin ng SMDC, Ayala Land, DMCI, Mega World, and Haven of Infinity. Ang Haven of Infinity is a small sector of real estate. Ito po ay memorial plan or garden, so plot, kumbaga, no? So, general insurance, kailangan natin insurance sa ating mga sasakyan and non-life. So, pwede tayong mag-direct access. So, at least, di ba? So, yung instead na mapupunta sa agent, pwede na natin yung discount and we can use it for our additional to our investment and allied services. So, we want to create corporation para mag-preserve lahat ng ating mga naipundar. So, we can use or we can ask help sa IMAX, Everest Memorial Services. And also, if you want to go deeper in the financial industry, you can become a registered financial planner of the Philippines and get a license through our RFE partner. So sa eye care naman, no, the Luis Reyes Optical, and sa Kaiser Clinic, naghahanap po tayo ng mga pre-eye checkup. And we have other benefits for that. So entrepreneurship become part of the financial industry. Once you become an IMG member, you can have the chance to run or you can have the chance to get into the financial industry and become entrepreneur. So you build your own business, become a financial educator on your time, on online system. Meron po tayo member stage. And ang gawin lang po natin, syempre, we help families. And it will up to you, no? So how will you want to earn money or achieve income here in IMG? So kung masipag ka and you really understand what's the mission of IMG, kung na-learn deeper mo kung ano ba ang pinaka-main purpose natin, so of course you can have an extra income. So kung may extra income ka, pwede natin itong gamitin na pambayad ng ating mga pagkakautang. Kung tayo may pagkakautang. Kung wala naman, di syempre, pwede natin siyang pang shopping. Shopping sa mutual fund or investment, di ba? Kasi malaki ang sale na yon sa stock market. So we can buy more shares. You can start part-time and later on, you can be a full-time educator of IMG. So marami po sa atin dito. Katulad ko, I'm a part-timer and later on, yun po ang goal natin na maging full-time na. Become part of IMG. You will build up your solid financial foundation faster. So, kailangan natin ng cash flow, do IMG business, and be part of the IMG community, healthcare protection, Kaiser, life insurance, Manila Bankers Life. So, kailangan mong makawala sa pagkakautang, do IMG business, no? And become part of IMG pa rin. So, surround yourself with people na pwede kang tulungan na madisiplina. Diba? So, emergency fund, put it in the investment na mga short term, pwede siyang makuha kaagad, and put additional in your investment. Diba? So, build up your solid financial foundation faster with IMG platform. So, right now, whether you're ready or not, we grow older every day. Our children grow older every day. Our parents grow older every day. What if after 10 years or 1 year pa lang, actually, di ba? So, hindi ka nag-execute and then after 1 year or after 5 years, na-realize mo, wala pa rin pala akong ipon. Hirap, di ba? So, dapat talaga mag-execute tayo kaagad-agad. So, start with a little step, di ba? Small step, dahil, di ba, ang baby, hindi naman yan totally nakapaglakad agad-agad dire-diretso, di ba? So, una, mag-i-start sila ng, tumba-tumba, nag-i-start silang humakbang, pero hindi pa nila kayang maging tumayo ng diretsyo. So, ganun din po sa financial house natin. Pwede nating simulan na baby step until kaya na nating, masasabi na nating matatag na ang ating financial house. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. So, wala tayong patutunguhan or wala tayong mararating kung hindi tayo mag-take action. So, all great things and ventures have a starting point. Hindi po pwedeng dream lang tayo ng dream, di ba? So, dream without action is a nightmare. So, when is the best time to start? It's supposed to be yesterday. Pero syempre, kung ngayon ka palang naka-attend ng orientation na to, this is your second best. So, wag na nating ipagpaliban-liban pa dahil procrastination is one of the main causes of failure. Wala namang taong nagplano na mag-fail, pero they fail to plan. Kaya nagkakaroon ng mga financial problems. You need the right environment to solve the discipline issue. Importante po yun. So be in the right environment, and IMG community po yun. Become part of our IMG community. So dito sa IMG, it can create wealth for you as long as aaralin talaga natin. So financial independence is not a dream, it's a decision. Hindi po pwedeng pangarap lang tayo ng pangarap pero hindi naman tayo nag-take action. Kung it's a dream, natulog na lang tayo palagi. Pero hindi we need to take action, we need to work for it. So if you're born poor, it's not your mistake, but if you die poor, it's your mistake. Sabi po yan ni Bill Gates. So, time for you to take action and see your trainer to help you and guide you in every step of the way. So willing po sila, I'm pretty sure very willing sila to help and guide you. So congratulations once again sa mga participants natin tonight. And Mayor Ducot once again. So see you around sa ating community. You can follow our Facebook page. Yan. So, Business Investment Concept, Opportunity, and Lifestyle. Diyan po ako nagpo-post mostly ng updates about IMG. Right? So, thank you so much once again. And you can also email me. So, yan. Scan this code to know more about me. And we'll see you. God bless po, everyone. God bless po once again. Thank you. I will see you in our community. Manatili po tayong healthy. No? Importante yun para sa ating pamilya, para sa ating loved ones.